UX flow and information architecture. When I design a SaaS landing page, I always follow a storytelling structure like problem, solution, features, trust, and then action. Here's how the Flowly landing page follows this. Hero section headline, your all-in-one AI workspace subheadline explaining the problem, CTAs, start free plus watch demo, visual animated icons coming up from the top and dropping into the next section. Problem section, too many tools, too little flow. Visual icon confusion and then unified system. Solution section, one workspace, example launch a landing page by Friday, then AI plans everything for you. Features grid, 6 modern features cards, AI project planner, smart integrations, unified dashboard, auto sync, AI assistant, and one bill subscription. Now you need to inform your users how it works. I added 4 steps explained simply with icons. Also, your users should know who can use your product. Flowly for SaaS startups, PMs, agencies, remote teams, and freelancers. In the end, results. Clean the analytics section with 40% faster delivery, 100% sync tools, one workspace, final CTA, get started free. And this structure makes the landing page feel intuitive, clean, and easy to understand. This UX flow makes the user feel like they are traveling through a journey from confusion to clarity.